speed deal is on. Alright, quick day, quick episode guys. We went out this morning and didn't do too well, so here we are. Quick episode today guys. We went out this morning, started quite early, a couple of fish on the sounder. Didn't do too well, but it's going to be a quick episode. I'm not leading, I'm not building it up too much. Quick episode. The afternoon wrapped up pretty good, but a lot of time on the water for not a lot of success. So anyway, stay tuned guys. I'll leave it at that. Make sure you like, subscribe to the video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. I really wanted to try and get at least something out for you guys with my couple of weeks off with the new job and everything like that. So sit back and enjoy guys, and have a cold one. Oh, we're right. We weren't rolling this morning, but we got ourselves a little bass so far. Place to try the zones, eh? Oh. Hey. Healthy little bass. It's not too bad at all. Get tagging him, eh? And see if we can get another one. Right, mate. Hey, that's good. God damn sticks. Alright. Change it up a little bit. Now let's try a stick bait. Try out the old kamikaze stick bait. See how that goes, see how it holds up, and try something different. The old vibes just don't quite work, and no stick baits are pretty good, especially while they're all over the water column like they are. Because at the moment the fish are just all over the place.
Oh! 6 hours later.
I dare say it's going to be pretty damn quiet until we get something. Try and talk to you guys as much as I can, but the long and short of it, there's just not a lot happening. We're working our way, just drifting through a very spread out school of fish here. I'm not 100% sure whether we're actually going to see much, but better to drift through it while the current's slackened off. Just because it's too hard to try and sit over the top of them. They're not stacked together or anything, they're quite spread. Quite well spread as far as the school of fish goes. A little bit of a stink finger on it. Change it up, try the hard soft fibre for a bit, and then we'll go back to the stick bait. Just sort of see what they're going to eat. That's the tricky part. But there is a lot of fish, a lot of school fish around. I'd say they're all going to be that school size, up to a metre. Might be the occasional bigger one in amongst them. But aside from sort of positioning ourselves at a point of travel and just setting some baits, that's about all we can really do. Oh, what do we got? Oh, F you, you little catty. Should have known. Should have known. I'll pump that in, didn't I? Disgusting. Thought for sure then. Very subtle little bite. Ooh, you never know. You never know. Oh, Alright, that'll be a thready. Alright, that'll be a thready. More than likely. More than likely. Thready, or bull shark, or... Oh, no, more than likely a thready. No. Alright. It's not a bad one. Proper clunked it too, eh? No, we're not in any rush. Whew. He's coming back out the other side. Not really a position I wanted to be in. Oh. It's a big one, but I think I've got him fouled. I think I've got him fouled. Oh, felt a hook pull. Alright. Might get a look at him here. Oh man, it's fighting me dirty. He's just using the current. That's okay. We'll just wear him down. It's a big fish. I can tell it's a big fish. All right. Nerve-wracking, very, very nerve-wracking. Oh Jesus. Oh yeah. Okay. It's a very big thready. Very, very big thready, and he's held on by one hook. Holy dooly. Alright. Try and get a tag in it. Whew. Oh yeah. It's about what is it, 110 by 90. Oh yeah. Sorry, mate. Whew. Yeah. Very, very big thready indeed. Oh, yeah. Solid, solid thready. There we go. Ooh, it's always a good sign. All right. Of course.